Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to AWS for EC2 instance access, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to AWS for EC2 instance access, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Launch a new EC2 instance or select an existing one. Check the security group settings for the instance. Ensure that the inbound rules allow SSH access from your IP address. Next, locate the key pair associated with your instance. If you don't have a key pair, create one in the EC2 dashboard under Key Pairs. Download the private key file to your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Change the permissions of the private key file to read-only. Use the command chmod400 yourkeyfile.pem. To connect to the EC2 instance, find the public IP address or public DNS of the instance. In the terminal, type the SSH command using the format sshi_yourkeyfile.pem EC2 user at public IP address. If you are using a different AMI, replace EC2 user with the appropriate username. For Amazon Linux, the username is usually EC2 user. For Ubuntu, use Ubuntu. If prompted to confirm the connection, type yes and press enter. You are now logged into your EC2 instance. From here, you can start configuring your instance as needed. Remember to log out of the instance when you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.